okushaba oku kwahikwaho abantu okuruga Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, Italy, Sudan, Congo hamwe n'ahandi. Bishop Charles Martin Wamika okurwa mu bureberezi bwa Jinja kandi ababa bebembire mikoro y'umwaka ogu yajumirira ebikorwa by'obwisi obwe bari kukozesa embundu ebyeyonjire mu ihanga.
There have been brutal killings or murders here within Uganda, within the country. Several people have been murdered, and quite a number of them have been killed by their killers using guns.
Bishop Wamika yagira ngo government eshemerere kutaho uburyo okureba ngo yacendeza hankozesa y'embundu omu bitongore byone byo kwerinda.
It is our request to government and to the Commander-in-Chief to have stricter measures imposed on the use of guns in this country for both the security agents and private owners of guns.
Tusiima government obuwagizi n'obuyambi bw'ekola mu kuddabiriza n'okulongoosa ekifo kino eky'abajulizi. Sebo lekita w'ekifo Father Lubega wamu ne Namugongo community yonna mwebala okukuuma n'okulabirira ekifo kino.
President Yoweri Museveni omu butumwa bw'amushomerwa enganzi y'ihanga Robena Nabanja yayihanangiriza abakristo okwejumbira mu programu za government ez'okurwanisa obworo.
I appeal to all believers to work hard and embrace the ongoing wealth creation campaign by government. It is about liberating everyone from the oppression of poverty and social backwardness.
Ishaba Kristo mu ihanga Javazi nabo we yasima government ahabwo kubakwatiraho okutungura ekigo cy'abajurizi mu Namugongo hamwe na no mukutebekanisa emikoro eyo kwijwe kire cy'abaferire dini.
All of us in the association Uganda National Catholic Council of Lay Apostolate, the one that binds all of us, all the faithful in Uganda.
Ekiro ky'abajurizi nikijaguza bwa birobiro bishatu ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga buri mwaka. Ahabwa TV West and area Sartugusa.